Hey guys, so we have a nice light over here which is very yellow. As you can see, it's quite oxidized. The reason for this is obviously the UV rays. They come and attack your the lights. That's because obviously when the car comes in from Japan or wherever it's been imported, there's a clear coat that is usually on these lights, and it's obviously now down. You can even see some slight sunburn here, a bit of cracking on the lights. So we are going to show you how to restore your headlights. One obviously is what you can do at home, and another method is to do it professionally, like we will do it for you. And the tools you'll need are simple. You need a sanding paper, you need some soap water, you need a cutting compound, and to protect your light after, you need a wax. These are the only 4 things you'll need for you to do it at home. And obviously after that you'll need a microfiber towel, and that's about it. So let's get into it. The first step is wet sanding. Just take your trigger sprayer, wipe it all over the sandpaper plus your light. And all you need to do is just sand it. As you can see, all this yellowness is now starting to come out. All that oxidation is coming out. It's already clearing out. So guys, as you can see, it's hazing up, and that's a good sign because all the oxidation has come out. And remember, you don't necessarily just have to do one pass. You can do even 2 or 3 to get your desired results. So we are doing another pass at this point. And this is a 1500 grit sandpaper. And remember, you just want to go one way. You don't want to go in round circles. That will just create more scratches. Now we're just going to dry it. And then we're going to show you how you can do this at home without a machine, without any expensive machinery. Now you see we've taken our cutting compound, we've put it on our microfiber towel. And now it needs a bit of elbow grease. As you can see, the light is starting to clear up. From the haze, we're getting it now clear. Already you can see it started looking new, and it's looking really good. All the yellow and oxidation has come out. And after this, remember, you want to put the wax layer on top so you protect your light from further oxidation. Wow, it's looking really shiny and sparkling compared to the yellow one on that side. It's looking really good. So this is just to show you that you can also do this at home by yourself. Now we are going to apply the wax so that it gets some protection. This is really simple for you guys to do at home as well. actually looking really amazing, this light, even while doing it with a hand.